Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another week, another video. और इस वीडियो में I'm gonna show you my nighttime routine, which usually starts with exercising if you're not too lazy, ताकि पेट जो बढ़ गया है वो कम हो जाए. Once we're done exercising, I come downstairs to my room and अब टाइम है chilling करने का, क्योंकि रमज़ानों में आप इतने थक जाते हैं और work from home होता है, तो exercise is a very good way to release stress. So exercise करने के बाद all I want to do is just chill and chill as much as possible. Okay, so usually I am not someone who does a lot of skincare on a daily basis. पहले मैं इतनी skincare use करती थी, but I have decided to keep it very low and minimal. So I usually end up using a face mask, or maybe sometimes I just cleanse my skin. So for this week I was trying to discover some new products. तो मुझे ये Beautify by Amna का ultra brightening and hydrating face mask मिला था एक PR package में, so I decided to try it out, and this is the second time I'm using this, and मैंने नुमान को भी लगाया ये, and honestly this was really good. It made my skin so soft. Shower में these are the must haves. A nice deep conditioning sort of a conditioner, ये Kerastase का है, and I'm going to show you how to put on conditioner properly, because that is something that I've learned. And ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप कोई दूसरा conditioner ख़रीदें. You can use any conditioner, like literally any conditioner. And Spa Sanctuary का मैं face mask use कर रही हूँ. It's very good. And this is a shampoo that I've been using for my colored hair, L'Oreal का. It's amazing अगर आपके बाल में dye लगा हुआ है. This is the body wash, bourbon and strawberry. My god, this smells so good. I wish Bath and Body Works यहाँ होता. And I have this which I use to take all the dead skin off from my feet. और मैं ये scrub use करती हूँ Spa Sanctuary का. ये बिल्कुल आप लगाते हो ये गर्म हो जाता है, and it literally helps take the dead skin off so quickly. Now, how to condition your hair? So आप अपने शैम्पू वैम्पू कर लें और उसके बाद बालों में से बिल्कुल सारा पानी निकाल दें, एंड देन पुट ऑन अ कंडीशनर. एनी कंडीशनर, डजंट मैटर. पुट ऑन अ कंडीशनर एंड पूरे स्कैल्प से लेके रूट्स टिप्स तक अपने बिल्कुल कंडीशनर लगा लें, और उसको तकरीबन 3 से 5 मिनट अपने बालों में रखें. जिस कीप इट ऑन, उस वक्त तक आप अपने पाँव को साफ़ करें, कुछ करें, देन वॉश योर हेयर. Amazing results. It makes your hair so soft, especially if you have colored hair. Perfect. Then I would light up a candle and I would take my time detangling the hair, because मेरे बालों में dye लगा हुआ है, and this time I did get a little bit of bleach put in as well. So breakage जो है वो bleached hair में हो सकता है. So you have to be as gentle as possible with your hair. So I really take my time brushing the ends of my hair. I don't want any breakage. Once I'm done doing that, मॉइस्चराइज़ करूँगी अपनी पूरी बॉडी को, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली अगर मैं अपने पूरे पाँव को स्क्रब किया है सो थोड़े से ड्राई हो जाते हैं. सो आई मेक श्योर कि आई पुट अ लॉट ऑफ मॉइस्चराइज़र, सो आई हैव मॉइस्चराइज्ड लेग्स. So once I am done moisturizing, I turn on my laptop and I start chilling. Beach में, you've noticed that I haven't brushed my teeth, and that is because I like to eat something sweet, which is not a very good habit, but I feel like working out के बाद चलता है, इतनी चीटिंग चलती है. So I'm just eating my favorite chocolate, which is Kinder Bueno. If you haven't tried it, you're seriously missing out on life, and you need to try it. At this point, I'm just editing my videos. Usually Instagram का content plan कर रही होती हूँ, पर YouTube पे क्या चीज़ आएगी वो plan कर रही होती हूँ. And also my birthday is coming, so I really want to get something for Eid or for my birthday. और आपकी recommendations जो थी लॉन की, उनको मैंने search किया, and I didn't end up buying anything because I was just so confused कि मैं लूँ या नहीं लूँ. So yeah, Then नमाज़ पढ़ने के बाद I brush my teeth and I just make sure everything's clean. रात में चॉकलेट खाना, अगर आप मीठा कुछ खा रहे हैं, कुछ भी खा रहे हैं, it's always necessary to brush your teeth because I mean I don't have to say this, ये बचपन में सब सीखते हैं. And once I am done washing my face and everything, मैं knee acid use करती हूँ. Now guys, I have mentioned this a million times and still people ask me कि does this work? Yes, this works. This does not stop acne. This is actually for hyperpigmentation and scarring. यानी जो acne के बाद दाग धब्बे चेहरे पे रह जाते हैं और जो marks रह जाते हैं उसके लिए है. I've been using this for the past 3 years now. And I have noticed a massive difference in my skin. I think जो scarring है वो बहुत कम हो गई है. Actually no, I wouldn't even say 3 years. मैंने ये कब से इस्तेमाल करना शुरू किया है? Maybe 2 years now, 2.5 years, and it's amazing. Obviously it takes time to show results, but it's a very good product. ये South Korean brand का है and you have to order it online and then it gets delivered and you have to pay through credit card. Right, skincare sorted, time for bed because next day जो है वो office है, so full day काम का. So at this point me and Numan watch Friends or anything on TV and I usually end up falling asleep while watching TV. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and Khuda Hafiz. Good night.